Well, we filmed this in the rainy season, but I never would have thought in the middle of the winter that these guys are moving from pond to pond. Now today's high was 82, so it's an exceptionally warm day for the winter. And look how clean this guy is for such a big turtle. That is such a perfectly clean shell. Patterns are awesome. One of the prettier ones I've seen. He was just out trucking along. He's not far. He's probably coming from my neighbor's pond. They have a pond in the back of their house, and he's moving into my pond, so very cool.